Welcome back to Novice Investing Guide. Today we are getting into the exciting world of ETF investing. If you're new to investing and looking for a way to start building wealth, stick around because we are going to give you information to supercharge your wealth building in a simple way. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on valuable financial content.
So what exactly is an ETF? Well, an exchange-traded fund is a type of investment fund that holds a diverse portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. Think of it like a basket that contains a mix of different investments. The best part? It's traded on the stock exchange, just like individual stocks. This makes it a fantastic option for beginners who want to dip their toes into the world of investing without taking on too much risk.
Now let's talk about the benefits of investing in ETFs. One of the key advantages is diversification. With a single ETF, you're instantly spreading your investment across various assets, reducing the impact of a poor-performing stock on your overall portfolio. This diversity can help mitigate risk and provide a more stable return over time. Another benefit is time savings. ETFs are typically managed by SEC-registered investment advisors, and they do all of the research about what stocks to hold, so you don't have to. It saves you a bunch of time and effort on researching individual stocks for purchase.
ETFs typically have low fees, making them a budget-friendly option for beginners. Plus, they offer instant access to a wide range of markets and sectors, allowing you to easily tailor your portfolio to match your investment goals. Now let's talk about how you can start investing in ETFs. The process is straightforward. First, you'll need to open your investing account. See our video on account types if you need help picking which account is right for you.
Buying shares of an ETF is as easy as buying a stock. You simply place an order through your brokerage platform, specifying the number of shares or dollars worth you want to purchase. And just like that, you're a proud owner of a diversified portfolio.
While investing in ETFs is relatively straightforward, there are a few common mistakes you should avoid. One of them is neglecting to research the ETF's underlying assets or overall strategy. Understanding what's in the basket is crucial to making informed investment decisions. Additionally, be mindful of trading volumes and liquidity to ensure you can easily buy or sell your shares when needed. For long-term success, it's essential to adopt a patient and disciplined approach. Resist the urge to constantly check your investments, as short-term market fluctuations are normal. Instead, focus on your long-term goals and periodically review your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your objectives.
A couple of ETFs that I have are JEPQ and QQQI. These are tech-heavy ETFs and they both provide income, which is an essential part of my personal strategy.
And there you have it, a beginner's guide to investing in ETFs. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth, save for retirement, or achieve financial freedom, ETFs can be a valuable tool in your investment toolbox. Do you have any favorite ETFs? Comment down below. Keep an eye out for our videos featuring ETF battles to see which ETF reigns supreme. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and insights. Until next time, happy investing.